To wash the rug through, it's mean my product, the organic product, coming on the top and go through the rug from here, flush everything that it's in the rug out from the back and send it straight to the sewage. Pee-pee supposed to be in a sewage, not on Oriental rug. Tamarok, not far from my warehouse. You have two big dog, Greyhound, and another big dog like Rottweiler. The Greyhound, it's new in the house. They adopted, very nice. And he pee here, this size. Then they're having two cats. The neighbor cat's coming near the slide door, near the pool, and their cat's going over there, and two of them communicate by one cat's pee on the rug, the other one pee outside. So this rug smell, for so many years I'm cleaning rugs. I clean thousands of rugs. This is one of the worst rug I ever cleaned. So bad. Then the owner said to me something very simple. When you deliver the rug, I'm going to go on my knees and I put my nose here. If I smell pee-pee or chemicals or deodorize, I'm not going to pay you. And I say a deal. I give him the price and I pick up the rug. So you ask yourself, if I have a rug like this, what shall I do? It doesn't matter where you are in the United States. I guarantee in writing, urine odor removal permanent, without using no enzyme, no deodorize, no cleaning, no dry cleaning, no steam cleaning, none of the above. I am not a carpet cleaning. I am not. I am specialized in urine odor removal. And because this is the only service that I provide, I become expert in this field. And I deliver a superb result without any question. So if you're looking for 100%, not 97 or 99, 100% no trace of odor, I'm Israeli and I love challenge. I build this machine, and anytime that I'm cleaning something like this, I want to see how far my machine can go to remove the urine odor.